We're in Burby Canyon in the Warrumbungles. We're in the Warrumbungles and doing some hiking. It's a really pretty place, about 300 kilometres north of Katoomba, where we're staying. We took the van up and stayed a few days. There's some really nice walks up here, and we did some of the smaller ones because the weather was in the mid to high 30s, so we didn't do any of the big ones, which were about 5 to 7 hours. And we'll come back when the weather's a bit cooler and do some of those. But it's very, very pretty up here in the northern highlands of New South Wales. Yeah, right. Custom made for old people.
Eh?
Custom made for old people.
Yeah.
Across the rocks, I think.
Want me to start again?
I want you to fall in.
No.
Now come on. It's for the video. You know, it's my subscribers. We're in Gilgandra. They've got a really nice silo art here. The area is known for having bred the racehorse Winx, which everybody would have heard of, I dare say, and it's painted on the side of the silo. The other side of the silo has got some swans and things on it. But that is Winx, which has made Gilgandra famous, I suppose. Quite a nice town. It's small, a couple thousand people, but very nice in the way of these small country towns.
Outside Mudgee on the walk to the drip on the Warrumbungle River.
Where's the drip?
I presume that's it there. Up there, called the drip.
Near Warrumbungle, or is it the wind?
No, I think there might be.
You're just taking a video.
I am. I think there might be a little waterfall over here or something. Really pretty. Nice little cascade down there. Quite a bit of water in the river, really. It's a pretty spectacular gorge.
This isn't it?
So this is Mudgee. This is a little bit of an ancestral home for me. My mother lived here during her formative years. My grandfather had a farm not far out of town, and in fact I've still got some relatives living here. It's another nice little town in the mountains, and the brewery is really good. Make some nice beers. In fact, they make the best wheat beer I've ever tasted.